Guys, we've got a 45-second window for a sun check. So let me just take you around this lovely Porsche 911 Carrera S. We've carried out a correction followed by a euphoric V2 ceramic coating. It's ready for collection. I think we just might have a couple of minutes for a wee vid. It's not often we get weather like this in Blantyre, but we do appreciate it. Oh, there she's there.